A very warm and respectful good evening to everyone present here. This academic year has been a journey of purpose and progress. As John Dewey reminds us, education is not preparation for life, education is life itself.
At BIS, learning extends beyond the classroom and examinations. It builds values, ignites curiosity, and shapes leaders of character. Together, we nurture not just achievers, but responsible global citizens. The present annual report captures our shared journey and milestones.
With deep gratitude and immense pride, and on behalf of Bahrain Indian School, we, Pritha, the vice head girl,
And Shreyas, the vice head boy,
extend a heartfelt and gracious welcome to His Excellency Chief Guest Mr. Vinod K. Jacob, Ambassador of India to Kingdom of Bahrain, renowned Chairman Mr. N.K. Ramachandran Menon, Honorable Vice Chairman Mr. Suraj Ramachandran, the respected directors of Bahrain Indian School Mr. Himanshu Verma and Mrs. Ritu Verma, and distinguished director of Bhavan's Middle East Ms. Divya Rajesh Ramachandran.
opening with the highlight of our excellence, it gives us immense pride to share a landmark achievement in BIS's journey. This year, BIS has been awarded an outstanding rating in the school assessment and awarded the prestigious BQA Golden Seal for Quality Education by the Education and Training Quality Authority, a distinction reserved for institutions that consistently demonstrate excellence in teaching, learning, leadership, student well-being, and overall school performance.
This rare recognition reaffirms the school's unwavering commitment to delivering world-class education in the Kingdom of Bahrain.
In addition to this milestone, BIS achieved a 100% pass result in the CBSE Grade 10 board examinations, reflecting the hard work of our students and guidance of our dedicated teachers, with our overall Grade 10 toppers being Pritha Singh, Sriya Anish, and Manjira Goswami, followed by our centum scorers Pritha Singh for English, Preetham Reddy for Mathematics, and Vismita Iyer for French. Additionally, our outstanding subject toppers are Pritha Singh, Sriya Anish, Manveet Praveen, Harshavardhan Chalaraja for Science, Manveet Praveen for Social Studies, Pahal Mehta for Sanskrit, and Pritha Singh and Sriya Anish for Hindi.
Adding to this distinction, we proudly celebrate a 100% pass result in the CBSE Grade 12 board examinations, beginning with the school toppers Evan Benson John, Adesh Deepthi Shaiju, and Nivedya Babu, followed by our stream toppers Evan Benson John and Adesh Deepthi Shaiju for Science, and Nivedya Babu for Commerce.
Additionally, our subject toppers are Evan Benson John, who topped in chemistry, physics, mathematics, and computer science, Adesh Deepthi Shaiju in biology and English, Nivedya Babu in economics, English, business studies, and accountancy, Natalia Manujan in marketing, and finally, Aditya Sarvanan in psychology.
In continuation of our outstanding performance, BIS ranked among the top schools in Bahrain in TIMSS 23 for both grades 4 and 8 by achieving an advanced level. Grade 4 students excelled, scoring 626 in mathematics compared to the national and international averages of 462 and 503, and 642 in science compared to 475 and 494 respectively.
Our grade 8 students also delivered exceptional results, scoring 590 in mathematics against the international and Bahrain averages of 478 and 426, and 643 in science compared to 478 and 452 respectively, reaffirming BIS as a globally competitive school in maths and science education.
Turning to the field of sports, we are extremely proud to share that grade 11 student Sunish Sunil Bayalan has represented Bahrain at an international level in the ACC men's tournament held in the UAE.
Adding on, BIS students delivered an outstanding performance at the Khalid bin Hamad Chess Championship held at Khalifa Sports City, securing 2 first-place titles and 1 second-place finish.
Additionally, BIS proudly announces the enthusiastic participation of its students in the Khalid bin Hamad Chess Championship 25-26, held in November at Khalifa Sports City. Students from grades 3 to 12 represented the school with dedication and skill, securing 2 silver medals in the championship.
Moreover, BIS earned the Most Promising Project Award at the 31st NCSC Bhopal, where students Davina Manoj Amarnath and Sriya Anish were recognized for Algalith, a biodegradable plastic alternative made from seaweed.
Moving to Shastrayaan 25, organized by Science International Forum. A total of 110 students were selected from India and the GCC, including 7 from Bahrain, of which 5 were from BIS. During the quest, they visited premier institutions such as BrahMos, DRDO, ICGEB, RUAC, and NPL, and also attended the India International Science Festival.
Additionally, we are proud to announce that 3 of our students qualified for the Level 2 of the Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge conducted by CBSE.
Moreover, we proudly share the outstanding performance of our students in the Future World competition hosted by Talent, Skill and Development. Our key achievements in mathematics include 4 gold medals, 10 silver medals, and 5 bronze medals.
4 gold medals, 1 silver medal, and 8 bronze medals in art, and 2 gold medals, followed by 3 silver medals in creative writing.
Continuing our global academic achievements, BIS proudly participated in the Tournament of Champions at Yale University, represented by 7 scholars and achieving the prestigious GCC Rank 3.
Prior to this milestone, at the global round held in Doha, 15 participants secured 103 gold medals, 115 silver medals, and 22 trophies. Earlier, at the regional round in Bahrain, the school earned an impressive 185 gold medals, 225 silver medals, and 30 trophies.
Turning to international diplomacy, at Harvard Model United Nations Bangalore, one of the most prestigious international MUN conferences, BIS students Aseem Verma and Amrita Varshini Murugan represented the school with distinction, with Amrita Varshini earning selection to the exclusive Ivy League dinner circle.
Along similar lines of excellence, at the Harvard MUN Dubai from January 10th to 13th, Davina Manoj Amarnath represented BIS with distinction.
Moving to an extraordinary individual accomplishment, Zainab Kausar achieved a remarkable feat recognized by Kalam's world record. At just 6 years, 5 months, and 13 days, she correctly named all European countries and their capitals and located them on a blank map of Europe in 41.17 seconds.
Furthermore, Bahrain Indian School celebrates a remarkable triumph at the CBSE cluster tournaments as all sports teams brought laurels to the school as displayed.
Additionally, at the Inter-School Chess Championship held at Indian School Bahrain, the BIS Under-12 boys team secured first runner-up.
Furthermore, BIS proudly applauds Aditya Udayakumar for earning the prestigious FIDE Arena Candidate Master ACM title in chess. He strongly maintained a 1,100 plus rating across multiple FIDE Arena formats.
Moving ahead, Isha Ashik created history by winning the Kala Tilakam title for the 3rd consecutive year at the Bahrain Kerala Samajam Kalotsavam 25, outperforming more than 1,200 participants.
Moving on to the business world, grade 12 commerce students participated in the company program national competition at Marasi Galleria, organized by Injaz Al Arab. They developed an eco-friendly paper point pencil made from recycled newspapers and sold out their entire stock after presenting it to Her Highness Sheikha Hessa bint Khalifa Al Khalifa.
Additionally, a grade 6 team from BIS excelled at Injaz Bahrain's Smart Investor National Competition 24-25, securing 2nd place among the top 10 teams in Bahrain with their financial literacy app, Journey Masters.
We move on to BIS's achievements at BME prestigious competitions. BIS delivered an outstanding performance across inter-Bhavans competitions in 2025. We emerged overall first at the Inter-Bhavans Literary and Cultural Meet in Abu Dhabi, winning 1st prize in debate, 2nd place in storytelling, and 3rd place in advertisement and fancy dress.
In the Bhavan Spell Wizard competition Kuwait, students secured 2nd and 3rd places across 4 categories along with cash prizes.
At the Bhavan's Declamation Contest, BIS won 3 first prizes, while at the Bhavan's Hindi Poetica Abu Dhabi, the school stood overall 2nd.
The BIS team earned runners-up at the Bhavan Sports Quiz Dubai and was crowned overall champion at the Bhavan's French Poetica Kuwait with wins in both junior and senior categories. BIS also secured 3rd place at the Bhavan's Quran Recitation Competition Kuwait.
Additionally, at the Bahrain Mental Math Competition 2025 held at the New Horizon School, BIS students achieved top honors, with first place going to Arnav Tushar Yola, second place to Kushagra Sa and Gunjan Pal, and a consolation prize to Advik Senthil Kumar.
In the cultural arena, Rudhima Lal distinguished herself at the KCA Indian Talent Scan, winning first place in English storytelling and second place in Hindi poem recitation.
Furthermore, at the Sacred Heart Math Wizard 2025, Kushagra Sa won the Math Wizard 2025 title, while Lakshya Kulshresh was recognized as school topper.
Moreover, BIS proudly congratulates Pahal Pooja Ben Mehta for winning the Best Speaker title at Reverberation 25, hosted by the New Millennium School.
Adding on, at Udan 2025, hosted by the New Millennium School Bahrain, BIS students won first prize in Nukkad Natak and mono acting, along with a third prize in humorous poem recitation.
Furthermore, BIS proudly showcased its talent at the Indian Embassy's University Alumni Meet and Technology Conclave. Grade 11 students Abhinav Sajikumar, Jagdish Gutala, and Sam Allen Parker impressed dignitaries with their live demonstrations of the AI project Sign Bridge, designed to connect speech and sign language.
Going ahead, at the AMH Madathlon competitions, Nashwa Fatima secured a prestigious first place in the speech competition, followed by a science quiz team consisting of Pritha, Vidyut, and Amritavarshini, who grabbed an honorable second position.
Medzap skit competition, group of 5, namely Avni, Sarah, Shivangi, Rachna, and Ahan K, earned third position.
At the literary competition hosted by the Asian School Bahrain, Khyati Chandra Mohan brought laurels to Bahrain Indian School by securing an impressive third position in the Speak to Lead category of the speech competition.
Moreover, we are proud to announce that BIS student Isha Ashik secured first prize in the inter-school Hindi poem recitation competition held at Ibn al-Haytham Islamic School.
At the Spectra 2025, Pari Desai clinched a position in the top 5. BIS students also performed commendably at the Spectra Challenge art competition held at the Indian School Bahrain, where a total of 120 students participated, out of which 10 BIS students secured positions among the top 50 across all 3 groups.
Moving ahead, BIS proudly hosted Bhavanoday 25, an inter-school cultural festival with 7 schools. Highlights included a kindergarten fancy dress debut where an eco-friendly macaw costume won third place, along with BIS securing second place in math relay and third place in English storytelling in Hindi mono act.
Additionally, Bhavan's Expo 2024-25 was inaugurated by BAPCO CEO Mr. Abdul Hussain Jawahari, where students presented an impressive range of innovative models in different categories, including 3D mathematical models, a solar car, a windmill generator, a hydrogen generator, a human heart model, a water purifier, and math puzzles.
Turning to the world of literature, we proudly congratulate BIS authors Ved Subin for his debut book, Stickman Legends, The Shadow Awakens, Arman bin Awaz for his book, Quantum Physics, and Savannah Darish for the Power Squad Detectives.
Going ahead to the world of diplomacy, BIS hosted BMUN 2025 under the theme Wings of Tomorrow, guided by justice. The conference was inaugurated by His Excellency Mr. Vinod K. Jacob, Ambassador of India to the Kingdom of Bahrain. Over 400 participants from various schools across Bahrain took part.
In addition, BIS students brought laurels to the school through their outstanding performance at various MUN conferences, including BMUN 25, NMMUN, and other prestigious platforms.
Now, we move on to the International Olympiad Foundation results. Our students earned 4 International Topper Awards, 12 Topper Awards, 34 Gold Awards, 65 Silver Awards, and 43 Bronze Awards.
This remarkable success stands as a testament to the school's culture of excellence, the dedication of its teachers, and the unwavering support of the parents. Congratulations to all our achievers for bringing great honor to BIS.
Going ahead to the Science Olympiad Foundation results, we achieved a 1 zonal bronze medal with cash prize, 6 gold medals of distinction, and 30 gold medals of excellence for mathematics.
In Computer Science Olympiad, 1 zonal bronze medal with cash prize, 11 gold medals of distinction, and 3 gold medals of excellence were achieved.
1 zonal silver medal with cash prize, 22 gold medals of distinction, and 12 gold medals of excellence was achieved in the Social Science Olympiad.
In the General Knowledge Olympiad, 10 gold medals of distinction and 9 gold medals of excellence were achieved.
And finally, at the English Olympiad, 2 gold medals of distinction and 30 gold medals of excellence.
Moreover, in NOF International Olympiad, 90 students from pre-KG to KG2 participated, earning 240 gold medals across subjects like English, math, science, and phonics. A special applause for Idika Oja and Neuro George for securing international rank 1 in science.
Furthermore, BIS proudly hosted the Youth Leadership Program, where young speakers impressed the audience with their confident speeches and table topics.
Moreover, BIS launched SDG Bhavans Bahrain Season 3, focusing on SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, and SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities. Students of grades 4 to 8 from all Bhavans Middle East schools took part in interactive sessions, creative activities, the Green Classroom competition, and inspiring expert talks by Dr. Sheikh Fai Abdullah Al Khalifa and Professor Wahib Al Nasir.
Furthermore, Bahrain Indian School actively supported charitable causes through meaningful fundraising activities like Dandiya Night, Think Pink, Commerce Souk, and Multicultural Fest. These funds were then donated to the ICRF, Indian Community Relief Fund, the Breast Cancer Society, and the Royal Humanitarian Foundation.
To enrich students' life skills, the school organized and facilitated workshops, including the Smart Steps to Safety Road Safety session, a CPR training program, and Career Week.
Additionally, the stress management workshop, led by Dr. Brahmara Madhuri, equipped teachers with practical strategies to manage professional stress. In partnership with the ICAB Toastmasters, the Speech Craft program further enhanced teachers' communication skills and public speaking skills.
That was a remarkable year for all of us. We patiently thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your listening.
Thank you once again and have a wonderful evening.